Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm a little bit late for this one, but I'm super excited. It's a comic cake. It's a hot trend. Well, it's been a hot trend for a few months now. I'm a little bit late in the game, but I wanted my own twist on it also, so I'm hopping on the train and I'm doing it too. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. I just want to say that this was one of my favorite cakes ever to make. It's just such a cool concept. I have no idea who started the trend. Obviously someone started the trend. If you guys know, let me know in the description box down below so everybody knows. I can always trust you guys because you guys know who started the whole trend. And we really have to give credit to whoever started this trend because that person is obviously a genius. So this cake was so fun to make. Basically, I just did, it was a 6-inch, and then I did the crumb coat and then the second coat, and I wanted the colors to really pop, so I did white at the bottom and then made sure that everything was nice and smooth, and then I went ahead and then did the whole up and down kind of zigzag effect at the top with a light pink. To create that pink, I didn't want like a baby pink, I didn't want a dark pink, so I just mix a little bit of gel pink food coloring, just a tiny little bit, with a little bit of brown, and then you get that kind of like a peachy old rose color. So yeah, and then you just gently with your scraper go around so everything is smooth. And then same thing for the bottom, I did all those wiggly lines, and then I used teal color for the bottom and then smooth everything out. A little trick that I had for the base, because it is kind of like a little bit difficult to do, so you smooth out the best that you can, pop it in the freezer so like that your buttercream will set a little bit, and go ahead after on top of your buttercream to smooth everything out with a hot spatula. So the hot spatula will melt the surface just a tiny little bit of your buttercream, and then it's easier to have everything smooth. And once I had that, then I went ahead and then also placed sugar sprinkles on top of my cake. The sprinkles are by Only the Best, Sweeta Paulita. So if you guys want my promo code, I do have a promo code for you guys. You can use Liliana Springs 15 for 15% off the entire website. So you can go and have a look at that in my description box down below, and you'll have all the information for that. Then this is where the fun begins. So I use a 2-inch, not a 2-inch, I use a 2-tip round piping tip, and then I just outlined the places that I wanted to outline with black buttercream. Now, to create, if you want black buttercream like this, to create this kind of black buttercream, colors like this are very, very difficult to create. So instead of putting a bunch of black ink into a buttercream, it's nice to cut down the colors. So how I do that is by mixing a little bit of cocoa powder to my white buttercream. So already it cuts down a lot of shades. It goes from white to brown, and then you can go ahead and then add a black food coloring, and then you get like a really, really dark. And by the way, it actually gets darker the following day also. I'll be honest with you, to pipe, it is a little bit tricky, and at one point I was kind of like shaking, but a little trick also that I had is that I actually placed my buttercream, the black one, in the microwave just a tiny little bit, like a few seconds, not a lot. So like that, like it made it smoother, and then I went ahead and piped, and it made my life so much easier. So a little trick that I have for that. So I did that, and I outlined what I wanted, and then I also did like a cupcake swirl, if you want, at the top using Wilton 1M, and then I emphasized once again with the black, and then I did a candle made out of fondant, and that is it. It's such a cool cake, and in pictures it's like it's just amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and there's a lot of bakers out there that have made like other models, so go ahead and look at that also. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find it on YouTube, and it's really, really cool. So again, I thank you all for supporting my channel and me, and thank you for watching this video if you watch until the end. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.